So yesterday we talked something about operators, different type of operators we talked about, and we talked about the static block, we talked about the variables, their scope, and all those. So today I think we have to start the constructor also. Or should we go, have you got the syllabus, both of you? Shivali has mailed you? No, Shivali. Shivali did not mail you the syllabus 8. Okay, today she will mail. I will tell her explicitly to mail you all. Fine, no issue. So if, as per source, he told me that we should stick to the syllabus. So according to the syllabus, we can go. But study as I told that we will first discuss about the constructors and all those, and then after again we will come back to particular syllabus, and accordingly we will move whichever the lines or whichever syllabus we have not covered yet. So let us first talk about the constructor. Have you studied something about the constructor yesterday? Because I told you that tomorrow we will be discussing the constructors and we need block. So have you all studied something about that? I will explain a little bit for that. See, about the constructor, first of all, we will see how can we define a constructor. After that, we will check the signature of a constructor, and then we will see the usage of constructor. How can we use and what are their use? So, first of all, if I will define a constructor, how can we define constructor? According to me, the constructor is a special type of function which do not have any return type, and the name of the constructor is same as the name of the class. Means the name of constructor will be same as the name of the class, and it won't have any return type. For example, I'm going to write here class, suppose demo. If I want to make a constructor here, then this will be a constructor. You can see here I do not have any return type before this. So just name of the class and opening and closing braces here, and we can give the implementation of this constructor over here, whatever that we want. So this is simple signature. Now, what are the more things that can be added with this? So with the signature of the constructor, we can have just access specifiers and nothing else. For example, we can write public, we can have protected, we can have private. Means the constructor can have all the four access modifiers, that is public, protected, default, and private. So we can declare any of the access specifier and nothing before the name of the constructor, nothing except the access modifiers. So here question arises, can we have a constructor as a final? Answer will be no. Can we have a constructor as a static? Answer will be no, because for that you need to write a static keyword before the demo. but that is not permissible. So this we can have only the 4 access modifiers before the constructor and nothing else, no keyword. Generally, we can have the public, protected, private, and default, and nothing else. Just this is a signature of constructor. So now let us come. What is the use of it actually? So basically, there are 2 uses for it. There are basically 2 uses of this. One is to initialize the instance data member. As I told, there were 2 types of data members with us. One was a static and one was non-static, that we also call instance to that, non-static. So to initialize the non-static instance variable, we use constructor. Second, to instantiate the class, we need the constructor. For example, here if we write int age equal to 90. So in place of this, we can also write here age equal to 90.